we're good for 2 years, but if it's shorter, it's okay. Because there is a new bill that's going to create another commission.
Justice ang galing
regarding
yung 2
that, sir,
years.
sabi ni President, prioritize ng Congress yung pag-boss sa Independent People's Commission. Your reaction?
That's good news.
Why, sir?
Why?
That's good news.
Kasi,
You're ready.
Improvement of the former commission
Sir,
with
third,
more powers.
So you will
Justice
be
ang galing
retained,
yung
sir?
2 years, sir.
Cesar.
yun,
Justice ang galing yung 2 years na sinabi niyo pong mandate po.
I think that's in the EO.
Sir, how
Yes.
about yung third batch na ng mga documents na hinatid ng PNP sa ADG? Nasa na tayo sa pagbabrowse doon? Or,
We're still getting the soft copy because there are 94 boxes. So you have to wait for the summary of the soft copy.
pero with those documents, are we expecting new referrals?
We have to look at the documents first.
So yung pong upgraded na ICI, medyo mas maraming power sensor. May subpoena, may contempt, pero will it not be a duplication of the ombudsman or maybe even the DOJ?
Well, that's the act of Senate. It's up to them. I cannot comment on that.
Sir, it's
Sir,
are you going to...
Wala sa...
Sir, may hearing this week.
Justice wala
Sir.
sa 809 before.
Thank you.